How to make AFK Fish Farm in Minecraft. So first you will need a hopper, 2 chests, a water bucket, a fishing rod, any type of fence, any type of building block, a pressure plate, a note block, and any type of trapdoor. So first dig out 4 blocks on the ground just like so. Then get your chest, place it just like that. Get your hopper and make sure that you connect it to the chest just like so. After that, get your fence, place it on top of the hopper, get your pressure plate and also place it on top of the fence right there. Now get your note block, place it here on the side, and get your building block, place it right there. And get your trapdoor, place it right here on the building block. And lastly, get your water bucket and place it on the hopper right here. Once that's done, get your fishing rod, throw it on the pressure plate, and you simply need to wait till you catch a fish, and that trapdoor will just basically go down if you have catched a fish. So you just simply need to wait. As you can see, the trapdoor closed, which means I have catched a fish already. So I'm just gonna right click, and when I check the hopper right here, or my chest rather, as you can see, it now has the fish that I have captured earlier. And that's how I basically make an AFK fish farm in Minecraft.